Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to assign the side button to power off this device. Okay. Now if you press and hold this side button, you can see this is a digital assistance. So let me show you how to assign this power off side button to power off this device. So for this, go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option advanced features. Tap on this one, tap on side button. Here you can see the option long press. Tap on this one. Here you can see some options. You can assign this side button to digital assistance, Bixby or power off menu. So here I am going to select the option power off menu. Now let me show you how it worked. Now press and hold this side button. Now you can see the window to power off this device. Right? So simply in this way you can assign the side button to power off menu in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.